How to add tire on your creator page on Patreon. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Patreon. This is the home page. Now go to your creator account. This is my creator page. As you can see, all what you have to do now is click here on edit your page and it will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do here is simple. Click on tires and click here on add tire. As you can see, add the tire name. For example, let's say gold, and choose the price. You can add the tire image here, and here the description, and here the benefits. Let's add a benefit. Okay, I'm gonna add, for example, add 3 episodes. Click add benefits and click save tire. Now as you can see, I just added the new tire easily and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.